All right, so a good amount of you guys commented and said you guys wanted to see what was on my shelf. So I'm going to show y'all right now. Okay, we're gonna start with the bottom shelf here. We have my Thermalright Forza, Thermalright Frozen, Thermalright Frozen Warframe SE 360 AIO that I actually use in my current build right now, as well as the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3. This is currently in my brother's build. And then we have like one of my favorite mics that I've ever used, which is the Fifine or Fifine AM8 dynamic microphone. Great mic, by the way. If you want to get a mic, get this mic. It's like 50 bucks on Amazon. It's amazing. And then we have my beloved 5070 GPU box here, as well as a 9060 XT 16 gig box. This is currently an empty box. The actual GPU is in my cousin's build that I built for her a while ago. I don't know why I still have the box here, but it's just, you know, it's nice. This is a 3050. Yes, an actual 3050 is in here. The 6GB version, and it's the low profile version of the card. Not really sure what to do with this card yet. I might do a test to see if 6GB cards are still, you know, usable at 1080p. And then at the top here, I got some extra anti-static bags whenever I need them. All right, moving on up here, we got my motherboards. The MSI Pro X870E-P Wi-Fi that I have in that $2,000 build that I did. If you don't know, go check my YouTube. And then we have this B550-A gaming motherboard. It's a motherboard that I use in an all-white build. This is the Gigabyte B760M DS3H-AX. It's a micro ATX LGA 1700 motherboard. It's actually in my brother's build since he has a 13400F in his build. This is just an A520. I don't remember why I got this, but I have it. So this is another MSI X870E motherboard. This is the Gigabyte B650M. This is the one that I use in that under $1,000 build with the 9600X, and actually this 5060 Ti 8GB. Moving on up, we have this Corsair RM1000E, which is in my build currently right now. And then this Thermalright Frozen Note 240 Black ARGB. This is an extra LGA 1700 air cooler. This was in the MSI pre-build that I showed off to you guys. I replaced it with a better tower cooler, and I don't really know what to do with this, so I'm just going to keep it here. Right here, we got an i5-12600KF. This was for my cousin's build with that 9060 XE 16 gig. And we got the ID Cooling SC214XT. This was in the all-white build that I made with that 2080 and 5600. An extra AMD cooler. I have a bunch of these just lying around everywhere. And this is an i5-13400F that's in my brother's build currently. Moving up even more, we got my old 7800X3D box, as well as the 7600X3D that I use for a commission build. It currently houses a 3800X that I'm going to use for another build. You'll see soon. We have some extra Asia Horse extension cables up here. And then back here, some extra RAM boxes. Box for my Ryzen 9900X, and also my box for my 64GB kit of DDR5. This is a box that had a 500 gigs SSD. I don't know where the box came from, but yeah, it's here, I guess. As well as the 9600X box that I used for that one build. And then a Thermalright air cooler right here. And then also the T-Force Delta DDR5 16GB kit. Oh, yeah, and then I also have this Trident Z DDR4 kit for a different build that's upcoming. Moving on up one more time. Oh God, it's a mess up here. Hold on. This was not supposed to look like this. Oh, this is embarrassing. Oh my guys, I dropped my AMD fan on a Ghost, and it like busted a hole in it, and it like sprayed the Ghost everywhere. It's dripping everywhere, so. Oh, this is an energy drink. I should not be doing this. All right, to finish off the rest of the video here, we got my 400 million berry Monkey D. Luffy wanted poster. I got this as a gift, as well as this little figurine of Naruto and Iruka Sensei. Look at him just freaking chowing down on that ramen. And then we got my little Super Saiyan Goku figurine right here, as well as a little Robin keychain. It doesn't stay up. I've been trying to put it up, but like it just keeps falling. And then behind these guys is a bunch of old PS4 games that I just kind of kept around because I didn't know what to do with them. I forgot that I have this whole thing up here. Got a 5060, a Cooler Master, Liquid AIO, another Lian Li AIO that doesn't actually like work, as well as these 3 power supply boxes. Okay, now I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. So. Okay, I gotta stop doing that.